5 Best Business Ideas for 2023 Without Investment. Hi everyone. Dear my business friends, I will tell you some of the business you can start without money in 2023. Welcome to my channel where we bring you the best business ideas without investment in 2023. With the growing economy and the increasing need for entrepreneurship, starting a business has never been more accessible. In this video, we bring you the top 5 business ideas you can start without having to invest a lot of money. Please stay connected so you will not miss any valuable idea. 1. Freelance services. Upwork and Fiverr are the best platform for freelancers. One of the best businesses to start without investment is freelance services. If you have a skill like graphic design, writing, or programming, you can offer your services online to businesses and individuals in need. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr provide a platform for freelancers to offer their services to a global audience. If you like the content, please do share and like. Idea 2. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is one of the best online business idea which will make you millionaire. Another great business idea is online tutoring. With the rise of remote learning and online education, there is a growing demand for tutors who can help students with their studies. You can start your own online tutoring business with just a computer and internet connection. Tutors can write lesson and can sell directly on Udemy, a great opportunity. Idea 3. Dropshipping. Online shopping trend changed drastically since COVID-19, so this is very great business idea. Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to sell products online without having to keep inventory. All you need to do is find a supplier, list their products on your website, and handle the customer service. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer, and you keep the difference as profit. Shopify is great for dropshipping business. Idea 4. Digital marketing. Another great idea, guys. Another in-demand business idea is digital marketing. With more and more businesses moving online, there is a growing need for digital marketing professionals who can help them reach their target audience. You can offer your services as a freelance digital marketer, or start your own agency. Digital marketing agency is great idea to open in 2023. Idea 5. Content creation. This is one of the great idea for creators and entrepreneurs. Finally, content creation is a great business idea without investment. Whether it's writing articles, creating videos, or designing graphics, there is a growing demand for quality content in a variety of formats. You can offer your content creation services online, or create your own blog or YouTube channel. My channel always promise to bring great business ideas for you guys. Please support channel to grow and I will bring more valuable videos for you. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Stay connected for more valuable information in 2023. So there you have it, the top 5 business ideas without investment in 2023. We hope this video has given you some inspiration and ideas for starting your own business. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.